I've covered wars before. But this time it's personal. 24 hours ago, I was in Dubai with my family. The Fairmont Hotel on Palm Island, the one exploding in flames on your newsfeed, was across the street from our hotel. We left early for our flight. Everything seemed normal. We boarded, took off, then mid-flight, the announcement. The United States and Israel have launched strikes on Iran. I thought, please don't let our flight path cross where missiles are flying. When we landed, I saw what was actually happening. Dubai airport evacuated. Smoke everywhere. Flights grounded. Drones intercepted near Burj Khalifa. Missile debris crashing near Burj Al Arab. My family members, with later flights, still stuck at the airport. No idea when they're getting out. The good news. UAE's air defense is strong. Iran fired 1,137 missiles. They destroyed 1,132. 209 drones launched. 195 intercepted. Most fires you're seeing, debris from destroyed missiles. So, what's happening? The US and Israel launched Operation Epic Fury, a full-scale attack on Iran. This will last days, possibly weeks. We're going to destroy their missile industry to the ground. Bombs falling across Tehran, Isfahan.com/Kermanshah. Most shocking, Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, was killed in a strike on his compound. Iranian state TV confirmed it. His daughter, son-in-law, granddaughter also died. Iran declared 40 days of mourning. Multiple top military commanders killed. Trump's response: the people making decisions, most are gone. Tehran streets split, some celebrated, others wept. Iran retaliated, not just against Israel. They hit UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait. Explosions in Dubai. One killed in Abu Dhabi. US Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar struck. Direct hit on US Navy's 5th Fleet Base in Bahrain. Shocking footage online. Iran's IRGC claims they struck 27 American military installations. Operation True Promise 4. Bet civilian areas hit 2 5-star hotels, international airports. Over 10 million Indians live in these Gulf countries. Everywhere missiles fall. Indian workers, families, your relatives are there. India's embassy issued extreme caution advisories. Over 18,000 Indian students in Israel alone. Gulf airspace closed. All flights cancelled. If this becomes full war, it hits worse. Operation True Promise 4. But civilian areas hit 2 5-star hotels, international airports. Over 10 million Indians live in these Gulf countries. Everywhere missiles fall, Indian workers, families, your relatives are there. India's embassy issued extreme caution advisories. Over 18,000 Indian students in Israel alone. Gulf airspace closed. All flights cancelled. If this becomes full war, it gets worse. India imports over 50% crude oil through the Strait of Hormuz, 2.6 million barrels daily from Gulf countries. If Iran closes Hormuz, which they've threatened India's oil supply stops, experts call this India's nightmare scenario. Result? Petrol prices skyrocket. Shipping costs explode. Inflation surges, rupee weakens. And the timing. PM Modi returned from Israel 2 days ago, February 25th to 26th. Modi was with Netanyahu, giving speeches in Knesset. Israeli defense officials told Reuters. This attack was planned weeks earlier. Congress leaders questioning. Modi's friend, Netanyahu, attacked India's old friend, Iran. India always maintained neutrality. Visiting Israel right before an attack sends the wrong message. Most horrifying part. A girls' primary school in Minab, Iran was bombed. At least 100 children killed during school hours. Israel's official account tweets, Israel has the right to defend itself. They struck first. This started December 2025 when Iran's economy collapsed. Currency dropped 40%. Food prices up 72%. Massive protests erupted. Iranian government fired on protesters. Largest U.S. military buildup since 2003 Iraq War. Early February looked like tensions might cool. Oman's finance minister said peace deal was within reach. Next day, bombs fell. Washington Post. Attack planned months ahead. Saudi prince and Israel allegedly lobbied Trump. Trump's tweet to Iranians. When we're finished, take over your government. Feels like 2003 Iraq. That war lasted 20 years. Taxpayers funded it. Ordinary people suffered. Iran's twice Iraq's size. Excuse given. Removing dictator. Bringing democracy. To prevent this wicked dictatorship. Your freedom is at hand. But does foreign intervention help or hurt? Gaddafi, Saddam Hussein. both brutal dictators. America removed them. Countries became more unstable. Civilians suffered worse. New terrorist groups emerged. Biggest fear: Iran becomes another failed state. If this showed you what's really happening while the world watches from afar, hit like and subscribe to Access Lens for real stories from real situations.